Hi, congratulations, Akila.
Thank you,
I
sir.
your technical and how you are feeling.
I'm feeling very happy, sir, and feeling very excited.
Yeah, could you please share your experience before IT workshop and after IT workshop?
Yeah, sir, before attending IT workshop, I don't know anything about IT sector and I have zero knowledge about it. After attending the workshop, I came to know everything in IT sector, how they do, what they do, how they develop application, and all I got to know, sir. I gained some knowledge.
Yeah, which type of knowledges are you gained from Techqflow software solutions in IT workshop?
I gained so much, sir. Agile workflow, SDLC, roles, involvements, applications, and many more, sir.
How my team are supported for you?
They supported me very well, sir. They trained me in a very well and in a friendly manner. They brought a family atmosphere, sir. They taught us very patiently and very. They taught us very patiently, sir.
Yeah, could you please share your experience to our friends and family?
Yes, sir, sure. As a fresher, it is very helpful and useful for our career. They teach us very patiently and very clearly. They explain in a very friendly manner, such that we can gain so much knowledge, and they are giving so much knowledge in IT sector, sir.
Yeah, how much of rating could you please give?
5 out of 5, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much for your
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.